Isn't it nice? Old movie style, right? Yeah. Hi friends, good morning. This is Sadhan Samanta. I welcome you to this video. Today I am feeling a little adventurous, so I have put on this video style. Some like it's like an old movie playing, right? I think it's cool. Yeah. Okay, friends. So once again, welcome to my video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, and I welcome you to this video. This is basically one of the videos of my 90-day video challenge, which I am making and I am sharing with you guys, in which I am sharing some tips, tricks, tools, and techniques, along with some wisdom and some golden nuggets. These are the things that I'm implementing in my business, and I'm getting results out of it. And I just want you guys, who those people who are in my team, and the other fellow internet marketers who are out there, they are doing some things but they are not getting the kind of results that they expected. So this is just my bit to help all of those people, and this is my contribution to the community, and this is my value to the community, right, my friend? So in that front, what I'm going to talk to you today is a little controversial. Not little, in fact, it's a lot controversial, right? What I'm going to talk to you today is being rich good or bad, right? Since the beginning, since we were kids, we were small children, we were told that being rich or being ultra rich is not good, and rich people, they don't care about others, and they are bad people, and then you should not become too much rich, and if you get too much money, then you become mad, and like things like that, so many things. But my friend, have you ever thought who are those people? Have you heard this thing from any rich person? Have you heard these things from any successful person? The answer is no. You have heard these things from people, those who are, they themselves are broke, they themselves are poor, and they do not have any aim, goal, or desire or dream, or in fact, even if they have the desire and dream, they do not have the what do you say? You do not have the initiation to take action, initiative to take action, right? So ultimately, what happens is like those people who are not able to reach their goals or dreams, they are telling us, they are teaching us what is good and what is bad, right? So then you have to decide yourself what is good and what is bad. It is always good to be rich. It is always good to have lot of money, because the once you have the money, you get options along with that, right? You get the option. If you are rich, you have the option to work or not work. If you are rich, you have the option to go on holiday whenever you want. If you are rich, you have the option to not let your spouse work for the whole day. When you are rich, you have the option to send your kid to any school, any college, wherever you want, right? If you are rich, you have the option to I'll quote this Justin's example. They are expecting a baby, so they are not going through the normal hospital route. They are going through holistic practitioners, and they are very costly. Now for them, money is not an issue. So I mean, they have the option. Why do they have to go to the hospital and get the same kind of treatment or same kind of medication, cheap medication, which insurance will cover, and just have those medicines, right? I mean, they have the options to go the holistic way and spend as much money on their baby, on welcoming their baby. If we talk about Tony, and if we talk about Lawrence inside Empower Network, they are into like building schools in Uganda. They are into building water wells in the parts in the African region where there is no water. So you can do these things only when you have money, my friend. You cannot do these things until and unless you have money. Once you have the money, money basically gives you the choice to do whatever you want. Now it is up to you if you want to do good things or if you want to do bad things, right? And there are only two ways to earn money, and there are only two ways to get ultra rich. One is good, one is bad. And over here, we are not teaching you any bad things. We are not teaching you to like loot a bank or something like that, or some illegal stuff. It is all 100% legal, and if all this money that you will be earning is ultra white, you can say it is all accountable, and you have to pay taxes. And when I talk about taxes, there is an interesting concept I want to share with you maybe tomorrow. How government only punishes with the taxes and higher prices to the people who cannot really afford it. That is to the poor people and the middle class people. These taxes, they are meant for, they are not meant for the ultra rich or the rich people, right, my friends? So I'll cover that some other day. So for today, yes, being rich is a good thing, and you should always think about getting rich. You should not think about living a mediocre life or a lifestyle that you really hate, and you do not like it, and you really want to get out of it, right, my friend? And Empower Network is a platform. It's a vehicle which can get you there. It is a vehicle that has helped so many people, so many newbies, so many experienced people, internet marketers having 15 years to 20 years experience who never made any money. Otherwise, they are making money, and they are earning thousands, hundreds, and thousands of dollars from Empower Network. Right, my friends? So you can do the same. Or the only thing is that you have to take the decision and you have to take action. And what action do you have to take? Is that there is a link just under this video. If you are watching it on YouTube or any other video hosting website, there is a link to my blog on the just under this video. You have to click on that link. It will take you to my blog. If you are already on my blog, what you have to do is you have to click on the register now button, and it will take you to my joining page. In the joining page, you have to fill all the information. Check the sponsor name is my name, that is Sadhan Samanta, and my user ID is the alternate way. And you just click on buy now button, and in the next page you put on your credit card details and you make the payment of $25, and you become part of my team. You get access to all these team trainings that we are conducting, and obviously you get access to the whole Empower Network platform. My friend, this is just a matter of $25. Don't let this $25 come in the way of your dream, your desire, your goal, your aim, or your success. Always remember, being rich is a good thing, and being poor or being a middle class, leading a middle class lifestyle, that is not a good thing, right? So always try to elevate yourself, always try to elevate your lifestyle, always try to live a life of freedom. With that, I finish off this video. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video with some brand new content. Till then, all the best to your success. This is Sadhan Samanta. Peace. Once again, I like this style. Okay, bye bye.
Folks, obviously the income examples discussed in this video are extraordinary. The income claims presented are not intended to serve as a guarantee of income. Instead, they're designed to give you an idea of what's possible. Success in this business requires leadership, hard work, and dedication. Since we want to help you make an informed decision, we've gone above and beyond with our income disclosure document. If you want to see the average earnings, please visit the page at www.empowernetwork.com/income.php.